Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Sezzle, Afterpay and Affirm. Sezzle, Afterpay and Affirm offer advantages depending on the shopper's needs and goals. Sezzle is a buy now pay later service that makes shopping easier for many people. Many users say it helps them budget better without using credit cards. However, missing a payment can lead to fees, so it's best to stay on track. On the other hand, Afterpay is a popular buy now, pay later service that lets you split your shopping into 4 payments. Many people like it, works with big brands, and it's secure to use. If you miss a payment, there may be a late fee, so staying on time is important. Meanwhile, Affirm is a pay over time service that lets you buy now and pay later with fixed monthly payments. It works with many stores and you can browse them right on the site. The website is simple, clean and works great on phones too. Overall, Sezzle is best for no-interest short-term payments, Afterpay for simplicity, and Affirm for long-term plans. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.